Invoicing your clients with Invoiceable is easy. In this short video, we'll show you how to set up a client, create an invoice, and send it to your client so you can get paid online. Firstly, you'll need to set up a client. Click the Clients tab. Next, click the Add Client button. On the form, enter the client's company name, for example, Acme Marketing. Now, enter a main contact for the company, for example, John Smith, and then enter his email address. This field is optional. You don't have to enter a main contact if the client is trading under his or her own name, in which case just leave this drop-down option blank. Now, enter an email address for the company. If you have a main contact selected, the contact's email address will override the client's email address when sending invoices. Complete the other fields, such as the client's telephone number, website and address. Then click Save Changes. Now, click the Invoices tab from the main navigation to create your invoice. Click Add Invoice. Give the invoice a reference, or leave it as it is to use the default automatic numbering. Then select the client we just created. In this form, you can specify payment terms, for example, payment due within 14 days. You can also select the currency, which can be made a default currency from the My Company Settings page, and you can choose whether you want to add tax or a discount to the invoice. You can also specify whether this invoice is a recurring invoice. If you set this field to Yes, then the invoice will automatically duplicate and will be sent based on the frequency you select after you click Deploy. We won't be creating a recurring invoice for this example, so we will leave this field set to No. Now click Save Changes. Next, you'll be taken to the invoice where you can add the invoice items. Click Add Item from within the Items table. Give the item a name, description, unit cost and quantity. Please note, if you don't want to use the unit cost and quantity fields, you can leave these blank and enter an amount directly into the cost field. Now click the green tick button situated on the right-hand side. You can repeat this step for other items that you want to add to the invoice. If you wish, you can drag and drop the items into your preferred order. Now, your invoice is ready to send. Click the Save Invoice button at the top right-hand side. Now click Send to Client. You can customize the message that gets sent in an email to your client. If you want to set a default message, then you can do this from the My Company Settings page. Otherwise, leave the message as it is and click Send Invoice. Your invoice will now be emailed to your client with a PDF attachment of the invoice. You will also receive a copy of the email for your own records. When your client receives the email, there will be a link to the invoice where they can view the invoice online, download a PDF, and click a Pay Invoice button, which will take them to a PayPal payment page. Your PayPal payment email can be configured also in the My Company Settings page. Please note, you will need to be logged out to see this page as the client sees it. We hope you enjoy using Invoiceable for fast, easy and free online invoicing.